DJM TV.
Lagos State government don mount heavy security for Lekki toll gate. My correct Sabino person, hello, how your side? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when you take see this video. This na DJM TV daily news update, your one-stop news plug where they always dey give you the correct news there as they take dey shele for inside our country and around the world. No matter what we carry console, na very serious matter. E concern the EndSARS protest wey happen for Lekki toll gate for October 20, 2020 and the many akamuka dem wey follow that matter. I know say this matter they come carry am go, they set up a panel where they say they look into the matter as to wetin happen, wetin really sup that day. Well, the matter now be say that they plan to open the Lekki toll gate, and since that they plan to open the toll gate, protesters just say lie, they no go give me the open that toll gate until the panel come out with something reasonable to justify wetin happen for October 2020, or they persecute people wey carry out the wahala wey happen that night for 2020. Protesters don begin dey give signal say, oh yeah, everybody mona gather on herself, we dey go Lekki toll gate. They cannot open that toll gate. They plan to open the toll gate for February 13, and they say lie, they no go give me the open that toll gate. As such, they go block the toll gate in the morning. Now the matter we got the sup now be that be say Lagos State government don carry heavy security for the toll gate ahead of the protest wey they plan. They don mount security. They not be small thing o. If you see that their face is strong. CSP Yinka Agbeyemi don lead one team of police officers on wetin they call show of force for the Lekki toll gate at Admiralty Plaza for Balade, Ikoyi, Jakande roundabout and other areas there inside the Lagos Island. It also this one to boost the morale of the officers there for the area and to stop crime when they happen for the area. All this one they come after federal government don't warn the protesters to say lie, may they not try that protest where they plan. No. Federal government warn say like no, I not try that one I do for October 2020. We no go take her from una again. Meanwhile, the Lekki concession company thought they beg Nigeria wey be the way they plan say they won't go for protest on Lekki toll gate. Say I beg, make una reconsider una decision. More na change una mind. I beg. This thing one I want do. No say the first I want to do. We know wetin follow. Plenty akamuka. Many people na leg over for the matter. I beg, make una not come. All this one I will say. Nigeria don dey vex. Say the judicial panel where they set up, they no agree look into this matter. That wetin dey vex people. They set up panel since to look into the matter. International community don't look into the matter. They don't give verdict. Say see people whenever they what the thing happen, they don't give verdict. Say okay, na so it be based on video evidence, picture evidence. People where they call say when I call testify as to wetin happen. They don't testify. International court don't do finish. But Lagos judicial panel, they not agree talk anything. Rather, they hand over the Lekki toll gate back to the Lekki concession company LCC to continue their operation. It's the vex people. It come like say wetin happen for that toll gate for October 2020. It not concern anybody. It just be like say those people their lives no matter. It just if I just be like say no even concern them, that one are their headache. The company SCC say the Lekki toll gate they already destroyed sake of the EndSARS protest wey happen for October last year. And if Nigeria has carried out another protest, go there again. Say the sad memories them as to wetin happen, go call they come back again. In fact, the families the way they affected already, they'll call they refeel like God like say they open the fresh wound again. Say I beg, then they use this media to they beg where many Nigerians from all over. I beg make they divide the may they reconsider a decision to come do the protest again. Say because again potential of repeating the disruption will happen. All of us also suffer, especially the sad memories there to the affected families. Nigeria government don cut serious warning give pipo say if dem start dat protest again, anything wey dem see make dem take am. Dem say dem get intelligence information say some Nigerian activists don link up with other Nigerians outside Nigeria to destabilize di country. Say we no go allow dis to happen o. Na so Lai Mohammed wey be Minister for Information and Culture tok as im address di matter of di protest wey dem dey plan for Lekki toll gate. Now you know di matter now. Now the thing wey dey sup now be say Lai Mohammed dey say una wan go protest again, we hear say una dey connect with pipo wey dey outside Nigeria, activists, terrorists, whoever dem be, to come scatter the country. The one wey we dey for the country already, so the one wey dey happen, e no worse pass the protest. Wey be say today you go hear say nama pipo do one thing for dis side, dem do one thing for dis side, dem do one thing for Edo, dem do one thing for Kaduna, dem do one thing for Delta. For different parts of the country, dem dey cause kasala everywhere. Federal government never fit still look into that matter. In fact, as a matter of fact, e never even too tey wey be like say NURTW pipo dey carry groundnut and some other weapon dem begin dey fight theirself for Lagos there. One single policeman no come outside come arrest anybody. Dem don hear now say EndSARS protesters don dey say why dem go open Lekki toll gate. Dem don come outside. They don't want to show their full force. Now we be this. They don't come armed to the teeth. Anybody will come outside. For innocent protesters, we no go carry anything. No. Pass maybe banner, placard, pure water, can water. In fact, the thing sometimes, if they reason the matter, it get the thing they be. It get they do me for ear because I don't know. I want to talk this thing. The Lekki concession company don when they go this panel, see wetin happen for the panel. Justice Okowobi, wey be the chairman of the panel, wey sit with 4 other members of the panel to listen to the argument for and against the application wey the lawyer of Lekki Concession Company Limited bring come for the reopening of the facility. This na the 4th time wey LCC they go make application say make dem reopen the toll gate plaza. Their lawyer bin dey argue say make the panel let the company take possession of the toll gate for the purpose of assessing the damage wey dem do, so that dem go fit know how to make insurance claim wey the company go get to fit repair the toll gate, and this one go take about 2 months to repair the toll gate. The 4 other members wey sit with the justice, dey be Oga Segun Oluwatoyin, DIG Taiwo, and Lucas from National Human Rights Commission. After the panel don rule in favour of LCC, say okay, make una go open the toll gate. Una say una wan go do insurance claim with the damage wey happen for the toll gate, make una go open the toll gate dem. One senior advocate of Nigeria, Ebuolu, waka enter the room with 3 other members of the panel wey represent the civil society, and all of them tok say dem no dey in support for Lekki Concession Company to reopen and take over the Lekki toll gate plaza because dem know wetin go fit sup. This investigative body wey dem set up to look into the report of the Special Anti-Robbery Squad aka SARS wey dey face plenty accusation on top human rights violation. Dem no even see anything talk since when dem start this panel for October 27, 2020 come reach date. Dem never see anything talk. Forget say the Judicial announce say dem go include everything wey happen for the Lekki toll gate matter that night for October 20, 2020. Dem no even look that matter sef. As a matter of fact, every state of Nigeria don launch their own judicial panel of inquiry after weeks of the protest to call for end to the police brutality. Dem no fit look into the matter. Wetin dem look into na dey say Lekki Concession Company say make dem open am, dem wan do insurance claim, make dem for fit repair wetin the akamuka dem wey happen for the EndSARS protest. All this one no make sense. Now, Minister of Information and Culture Lai Mohammed dey come outside cut us say federal government no go allow anybody to destroy the country. The one wey dey happen wey nama people dey do, not be the country that they destroy. People dey talk say this thing wey una do e no good. Not be say dem wan carry anything go there. Federal government body don dey hot. You know they do like say na their mates dem wan follow fight. For people wey go carry honorary paper, placard. Nigeria government don cut serious warning give pipo wey be say dey plan the fresh protest for the Lekki toll gate. Say they get they no go allow anybody to cause akamuka inside the country. They hear say people from outside Nigeria they wan come destabilize the country. Some people the government don say dem say peaceful protest na the constitutional rights of Nigeria, but violent protest dey against the law, and the chances say this peaceful protest so they go hijack am, e dey very high. Say based on intelligence report wey they get, you know, na as Minister of Information and Caution, e dey quick dey get intelligence report well. Say wetin happen for October last year, then that one happen. So we no go allow any group to destroy the country or to kpai and to injure people, including security agents under any guise. So they want them not to reoccupy the Lekki toll gate. If they do am, this na wetin go happen. They go arrest. In fact, there's federal government don say anybody they catch wahala dey. Say but if they not do this protest, wetin they go do be say they go meet the 5 agenda of the protest. There will be to release all the arrested protesters, justice of people wey don kpai sake of police brutality. They go set up independent body to oversee the investigation and persecution of all reports of police misconduct, and in line with the new police act, psychological evaluation and retraining of all disbanded SARS officers before they go redeploy them, and they go increase police arrest so that they go dey compensated for protecting the lives and property of citizens. In fact, this matter dey vex me because I never understand wetin dey happen. I don't know how you dey feel for this matter, but you see dey vex me. Peaceful protesters, Lai Mohammed wey be minister, you see that guy dey get CID information well when the thing not concern e people. When e concern other states, they can get intelligence report say they wan hijack the protest. How you take know? My brother, my sister, the man not too tough for this matter, we cannot vex. You chook mouth on the matter. How you see peaceful protesters, see how they carry police, they ginger, arm they reach teeth. So yeah, I'm gonna go, their blood they hot. When you reach the one they're supposed to go, when they see them, all of the days inside their house. Now people they cause wahala for the country. They say let us do amnesty talk, peace talk with them. It don't reach innocent protesters now. Yeah, they say activists from outside Nigeria, they want to hijack the peaceful protest. We're not gonna allow anybody destroy the country. My brother, my sister, you shook mouth on this matter. How you see this thing? This thing they want to say makes sense. Not because they want to cause another wahala for the country. Now they did so. Because you'll be like, say, Nigeria now, what would they now? 1 week, one trouble, 1 week, every week, they get one new thing where they happen for the country. We not just understand that they get all these ideas of what they do. I don't know how the federal government and who they even the advisor will not know. Then they get minister of advice. Who they even the advisor? Say who they give all this advice of what they do. Because this advisor, the person they advise them, if they advise for me, if they advise them wrongly, then they take this thing the right way. But you say still shook mouth for the matter. How you see them? Put your own comment for the comment section. More we hear what you get to talk concerning this matter. But you not forget say this now still DJM TV daily news update, where would they give you all the better story the yarn is the way they happen. I bet if you never subscribe, touch the subscribe button, touch the bell so that anytime we will drop new video, you will be one of the first persons to know say better thing it don't land. Not forget say we will come your way again with another edition of DJM TV daily news update. But I still remain your loyal girl and sister. Like we will favor where they bring this news. They tell you say I bet may you stay safe and not forget to show love to people around you.